Guys, for FRP in Samsung Galaxy A51, but this method can work with also other all Android phones also. Now if you come to the recovery mode, you will see here two options: wipe data factory reset, and you will see under that wipe cache partition. You need to click on wipe cache partition, click OK, then click yes, and when it's done, again you need to go to wipe cache partition two times. Now when it's done, you need to go for wipe data factory reset. So like this, in if you have FRP, it will remove FRP or Samsung account also from your mobile phone. So first you need to do two times wipe cache partition. So now reboot, we will check if it works, then good. If it doesn't work, then we will have to go another method. So but I'm sure this method will work 100%.